I wanted to talk about this docking hub from Selore. I think that's how you pronounce it. I did research on these hubs on Amazon. Didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. I think it's a great value. Easy to use. You just plug into the Thunderbolt port right here, and you plug everything else into the hub there. So I've got both monitors. Your 27-inch Samsung monitors plugged in. Great for productivity for a home office here. Loving that. Got lots of USB and other imports or other ports on the hub itself, and I think definitely thumbs up. So if you need something like this, definitely check this one out. Hope that helps.